Emergency workers were searching for survivors in the French overseas territory Mayotte on Monday, where hundreds or maybe thousands are feared dead. That's after Cyclone devastated large parts of the Indian Ocean islands over the weekend. It is the worst cyclone to hit the archipelago, located off the east coast of Africa, in nearly a century. The aftermath of the cyclone saw hillsides littered with the wreckage of hundreds of makeshift homes. The full extent of casualties and physical damage remains unclear. On Monday, maritime and aerial operations were underway to deliver relief supplies and equipment, French authorities said. Despite these efforts, significant challenges remain. Parts of the islands were still inaccessible to rescue workers on Monday, according to a civil security spokesperson. Mayotte, which lies between Mozambique and Madagascar, is made up of two main islands and has a population of about 321,000. It is significantly poorer than the rest of France and has grappled with gang violence and social unrest for decades. Extreme weather events have become more common around the globe, in keeping with global warming. And poorer nations often say they are bearing the brunt of the environmental crisis.